Welcome to Mac's Garage. This is my 1978 C3 Corvette 25th anniversary silver edition. Unfortunately, not the big car. We actually got this Corvette from a gentleman that passed away. So a lot of this work has not been done by us. So there may be some surprises along the way. I have the original 350. It has the Blueprint 383. It has the CBF Vintage Air. A lot of the parts are from them actually. The headlights are vacuum operated and they function very slowly. We need to redo those. Power steering is leaking. We need to figure out where that's coming from. The master cylinder and brake booster needs to be done. Let me show you the inside. So we just moved. The inside is a mess. Outside's a mess. It's been a long journey, but the interior has been redone. The carpets have been done. There's a retro sound radio, so it's got Bluetooth and everything, but still looks old school. Pretty much everything in the front has been touched. Everything in the back has not, including the original transmission is a turbo 350. This is going to be a long journey with the Corvette, and we have a couple other cars for the garage as well, so you just stick along. Let's get ready to do the spark plugs. Here's the spark plugs we're going to be installing. Blueprint recommends the Autolite 3924s. This is for regular street use. If you want to use it on the track or anything like that, they recommend the Champion 792s. This is a little bit of a warmer plug, which is essentially for the street use. So now to take out the old spark plugs. We got all the spark plugs out. If you look at them, you can see the one is very black. It is definitely time for a spark plug tune-up. All right, now time to put them in. Now we just need to put on the covers. Make sure that they're all in there. Time to see if my work paid off. That was my first set of spark plugs. It seems like it went well. The only thing is it's still running pretty rich, so we do need to tune the carburetor, lean it out. I hope you do tune into the next video and press the subscribe button.